Make up to $1,600 or more per week by coding from home. Oh my gosh, I wish I could code very well. Wow. Here's an opportunity to make up to $1,600 or above per week. How much will you get paid? Coders make $40 plus per hour on the platform. How flexible is the work? Very. You choose when you work, how much to work, and which project you would like to work on. Work is available 247 per year, that is 365 days. How much work will be available to you? If you qualify for their long-term projects and demonstrate high-quality work, there will be virtually unlimited work available to you. What kind of coding projects do they have? Onboarding gives you real examples of what type of work to expect on the platform. So they encourage you to apply to get better sense of what projects are available. Before I show you how to get started, I would like you to watch this.
Data annotation, great experience so far, no question about it.
I've worked on the data annotation platform for the last couple of months, and it's really been life-changing.
I'm interested in data science and machine learning. This is just my way as a college student of getting involved in that without working a full-time job.
I do have a programming job. It doesn't have anything to do with AI, and this was an interesting way to dabble in it.
Wow, as soon as I passed the qualifications for the programming work, I've been in love.
Not only do I enjoy it, but it's also made me a better programmer.
You can work in any programming language you like.
You can log on whenever you want. It's entirely flexible.
It feels like the company fits around my life rather than me fitting around the company. It's like I can do whatever I want. The level of financial freedom and flexibility is something I have never experienced and something I never thought was possible.
The work is for a good cause.
I think it's awesome to be involved in making sure AI is safe and unbiased.
I plan to continue working with data annotation for as long as possible.
I really would say it's the perfect job.
It's the best job I've ever had.
Okay, so let me show you how to get started. If you want to get started, you need to create an account. Okay, you enter your email and phone number to sign up. Then you take the startup assessment. Then you complete the engaging task. Then get ready to get paid weekly. If you want to start, you click on this place to start. The link is in the description under this video. If you liked that video you just watched, please give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. And if you have any question, please put in the comment section below. Okay, till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.